back to my channel. Today we have another review, and it is this palette right here by Anastasia. This is Carli Bybel, and this is what the inside looks like. And if you are new to my channel, then you do not know, but will know now that my first impressions consist of me trying to put every eyeshadow in the palette on my face, and that is what we will do today. But first off, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these, and I'll be right back to show you the swatches. Alright, so those are the colors swatched. Those are super pretty, very pigmented, and yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what kind of masterpiece we come up with today. First color I am going to go in with is Bear. The next color I am going to go in with is going to be Cindy, and then I'm probably also going to use Chai, Cindy and Chai. Alright, so the next color I'm going to go into is going to be this one right here. I think now I'm going to go in with this color right here. I'm going to go in with this color right here. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I think this color right here. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this shimmer color right here next. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in with this color right here. Alright, so now I'm going to go under the eyes, and I'm going to go in with, what did I not use? Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this color first. Not really feeling that, so I'm going to go in with this color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this other gold color right here. I'm going to use this color because this is the last one I have not used, and go back on the eyelids. All the shadows are on. I am going to go ahead and line, and I am going to use Noir by Autonomy for the bottom, and I'm using Il Maquillage, I guess that's how you say it, for the top. eyeliner is done. Now we're going in with mascara with what seems to be my favorite, Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. Okay, mascara is done. Let's do some lips. We've got Fenty Beauty and Starlight. That is what I'm going with today. There's my finished look. Okay, so is this my favorite look that I've created with one palette? Absolutely not. I don't really much care for this look. I think it's kind of boring, but we're not really here to talk about what I created with the look. We're here to talk about the actual palette here. These colors are very, very pretty, but as you can see, looking at it, there is some fallout and some kickback with the mattes. So that was a little bit disappointing because this is actually my first eyeshadow palette from Anastasia. So I was a little disappointed in that, but you know, other than that, I think the colors are super pretty, pigmented, blendable. Everything else, I think, it just applied like a dream. So I really don't have any negative feedback other than the fact there was just a little bit of fallout, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I've definitely had worse, and this is not bad. So that is it of my review, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if you think you're going to get this palette or not, and I hope to see you in the next video.